In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Wise to PayPal, step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link your Wise account to PayPal and move funds smoothly without missing any critical details. First, sign into your PayPal account on a web browser and go to Wallet at the top of the page. Choose Link a Bank. On the Choose Your Bank screen, scroll down and select Search for Other Banks, then type Wise. If Wise doesn't appear, no problem. Select Enter Your Bank Details manually. We'll grab those details from Wise next. Open Wise in a new tab or in the app and select the balance in the currency you plan to use, for example, GBP. Under that balance, copy the local bank details shown, such as the sort code and account number. Make sure you're using the correct currency balance so the details match what PayPal expects. Head back to PayPal and paste those Wise bank details into the required fields. Click Agree and Link and accept the direct debit instruction when prompted. This authorizes PayPal to confirm the account and enables transfers. PayPal will send a small test deposit to your Wise account that includes a short confirmation code. Open Wise, find that transaction, and note the code. Return to PayPal, go to Wallet, select your newly added Wise bank. It will show as unverified. Choose Confirm Bank, enter the code, and confirm. Your Wise account is now linked to PayPal. Now get the PayPal bank details you'll need for the transfer. From the PayPal homepage, click Transfer Money, then add money to your balance and choose your linked Wise bank. PayPal will display its bank details along with a unique reference number that identifies your transfer. Keep this page open or copy the details carefully. Switch to Wise and click Send from the homepage. Choose the same currency, enter the amount, and continue. Add a recipient and select business or charity, then enter the bank information exactly as PayPal showed it. If Wise can't verify the account, double check everything. Proceed only if the details match PayPal precisely. Before you send, return to PayPal, copy the unique reference number, and paste it into the reference field in Wise exactly as shown. This is critical. PayPal uses that reference to match the money to your balance. Complete the transfer by confirming in Wise the payment will be sent. Finally, check your PayPal balance and activity. It will update once the transfer clears, which can take a little time depending on your bank and currency. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.